communication for the last week, myself and my in relation to the information. I can place on record that it is still colour photographs outstanding, but the state has indicated that they will send it via a scan, electronic communication, as soon as possible.
Adrian, what does this mean for you? How do you feel? Mohammed, can you give us a clip? What does this mean for your client?
So the charges have been withdrawn against our client. Is weird, and he's
Is he essentially a free man?
at the moment he's a free.
Adrian, how are you feeling? Adrian? Mama, how are you feeling about this? Hey, Mama. Make it well.
Go obvious gore ka mokana ga bona ba tlo ba release go obvious gore ka mokana ga bona ba tlo ba release he's been released.
Le bona ka re ba botlhe ba tlo tswa gore o ba mo file ba dropile di-charge. Le bona ka re ba botlhe ba tlo tswa.
How guys? But why this one actually?
Le bona ka re justice ga e mo le saeteng la lona. Le ka se bolele le di-lawyer tsa lena gore ba appeal decision ya court.